Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to ask you guys a question. Do you think they should use cement when fixing these roads in Jamaica? No, we're going to go through an article about an area in St. James that was fixed, the road was fixed, and they used cement instead of the asphalt and the regular way. Because the roads in Jamaica are so bad that we really have to ask the question, are we fixing them the correct way? Now, when you're going through Norbrook, you go through the Benson Ford and it's a gully. You have to go through the gully. And they kept using asphalt to fix the road, and it kept, after a few weeks, months, the road went bad again. Massive potholes. And then they decided to use cement. And ever since they used cement, the road has no more potholes. It seemed to solve the problem. Now, I'm not sure if cement is more expensive to use, but in the long run, it might work out better. So I'm asking you guys what you think. Use cement or asphalt? Now, another example is Fern Gully. They use cement to fix the road in Fern Gully, and it's fine. For many years now, no potholes in Fern Gully. So guys, let us know what you think, cement or asphalt. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Carib Cement has recently introduced a 900-meter concrete paved road in Paisley, St. James, Jamaica, funded at a cost of Jamaican $7.2 million. The project is part of Carib Cement's broader initiative to improve rural infrastructure, having invested over Jamaican $310 million in more than 40 Jamaican communities over the past 5 years. Carib Cement's managing director shared that they are now planning to bring a new pavement solution, Unicopper, to Jamaica, which has already been implemented in several Central American countries. This solution, specifically designed for rural and hard-to-access areas, is said to be more economically and durable than traditional concrete. Member of Parliament, or MP for St. James East Central, Edmund Bartlett, expressed gratitude for the improvements, noting the enhanced durability and flood resilience that concrete paving brings to communities like Paisley. Bartlett highlighted the lasting quality of concrete roads, citing Fern Gully in St. Anne as an example, which has required minimal maintenance over the years. Alright guys, so let us know what you think. And if you live outside of Jamaica, let us know how they build the roads there, what material they use, asphalt or concrete. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.